Today I'll show you guys how you guys can download Epic Games Launcher just like this. As you guys can see, it's in my PC. I can play Fortnite and many other games. Now to download Epic Games Launcher, you want to open up your browser. Doesn't matter what browser, any browser will work. Just search for Epic Games Download just like this. After you search for Epic Games Download, it'll take you to download the Epic Games Launcher. Click on it. Once you click on it, it'll take you to this page. Over here, you can click on Download Epic Games Launcher, click on Save, and Epic Games Launcher will start to download. Now, if you use MacBook, you can click on this as well, also available for Mac. But since I use Windows, I don't need to click on this. After I click on this and it's completely installed, I can click on the Downloads folder, double click on this installation file, and install the launcher. Once the launcher is installed, and I log in into my account, this is basically what it's going to look like. That's how you guys can log in into Epic Games Launcher. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys.